Ensure you have a unique, keyword-rich title tag on every page of your site. Are you looking to rank for many more keyword phrases apart from your main keywords? Then you should use unique keyword phrases in individual web page titles. This is always better than bland page titles that do nothing for your search engine rankings. Why is this important? Multiple keyword terms mean higher search rankings for many related keywords. Because some of these keywords have less competition and it's easier to rank their pages. They require less resources to get higher search rankings. They are more targeted and often have high conversion rates, and makes ranking the entire site a lot easier, particularly when these pages are interlinked. So whether you have a 5-page or 500-page website, you need to check if the title tags are keyword-rich. Doing so means that you already have an idea of the targeted long-tail keyword phrases. If your web pages don't have clear keyword designations, then you'll need to figure that out. We at eTraffic can help you with that if you don't have the time. However, if you're building a new website, identifying specific keyword phrases that will be targeted by individual web pages should be part of the initial process. Our team of expert SEOs will identify the necessary keywords for your site and ensure that you have the right list of keywords to work with.